Holy shit.
This is Waterworld by Ocean Park. They had a pre-opening media day which allowed a preview of this all-year water park in Hong Kong. Let's check it out together.
Okay, so here is the area of the Waterworld. So this is the gate, the front gate of course. So you go in, from here you go to the main building. This is the indoor park. So this place, they have press conference today. So that's why probably they will remove this afterwards, of course. So this is the main area.
Actually, Ocean Park opened a water park back in 1984. At that time, they only opened between May and September. However, it was getting less popular, so they closed down in 1999. Now they remade a completely new one which is called Waterworld. From the experience of the old water park, the new Waterworld will be open all year, first and only one in Asia. They will have 5 main areas with 27 attractions.
So this is the indoor swimming pool. So I can tell that one, they should have big waves, making big waves so that you can have fun in here. Oh, nice. Oh, water slide. Another water slide is called Tropical Twist and Cyclone Twist. The other side, that is Torrential River, and that part is Ocean Park. You know, it's not connected, so it's not something that you can wear the swimsuit and just go straight to the Ocean Park. But that may be a good idea, but I don't think they will allow you to do that. So and this one is a hotel. It's not open yet. I'm pretty sure they will open very soon after the water world is open. I quite look forward to this hotel because it has a good view of the Daishuan. It's awesome.
It is time for me to do the Rainbow Rush.
I still remember back in the days, the last old water park, the Rainbow Rush at that time was kind of an ultimate challenge. You know, every theme park, there should be a killer item, the highlight one. The Rainbow Rush was the highlight one. So you could try that, you dare to try that, you're the man. So at that time when I tried the old one, I was like 10 years old. Now I am older, so I'm gonna try the new one and see how it's like. So remember the old one, the middle one, there's a little bit of bump, so people will just a bit of jump, scare more, and then go up. That's the scary part. Let's see how's the feeling of the new Rainbow Rush. And now there are 8 rainbows, before there are only 5. Nice. That's my friend Silva and the new friend Pitty. Okay, we're gonna try the Rainbow Rush. Yeah. Choosing the colors of the rainbow is what friends will do. I want the yellow one. No, I want the yellow one. Okay, I want the pink one. Okay, I'll do the pink one. I'll do the pink one. Okay. So how it works is you get this and you hold it tight and you slide down. Simple and fun. I'm getting ready. Yeah. You getting ready? He's not getting ready. Oh my god, oh my god. My sleeve should almost fell off. Oh, my sleeve should almost fell off. Oh. That's crazy. Oh. 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 Everybody's having fun, yeah. That reminds me of the old Rainbow Rush. Yeah, it's kind of bikini killer. You know, some girls after they slide down, their bikini like was washed off. Yeah. So they only allow us to ride with this one today, the pre-opening. So when it is open on the 21st of September, everything will be open. So make sure you try that. And one tip for you to film in this park is do not bring tripod with you. Bring an armband that you can attach your GoPro with you. So I hope that you have fun in this water world of Ocean Park. Thank you for watching. If you want to know more about the details of this, go check out HONGKONGUIDE.com and I'll see you next time. Bye.